the farmyard every day. Animals help in their own way. The cow says moo, gives us milk so fine. Cream and cheese, all divine. The sheep says bah, with wool so warm. Clothing and blankets, they transform. The pig goes oint,
Loves to root,
turning soil,
finding food.
the horse says neigh, pulls the plow,
Pulls the plow,
working fields from dawn till now. The ducks go quack, eat the bugs,
eat the bugs.
keeping pests away, many hugs.
Many hugs,
The chickens cluck and lay fresh eggs, protein rich, for breakfast they beg. The goat goes mad, gives us cheese,
cheese.
clears the brush as it pleases. The dog barks woof, guards the farm, protects the animals from harm. Farm animals, each with their sound, help the farmers all year round. Together they make the farm complete, with their sounds and tasks, oh so sweet. Farm animals, each with their sound, help the farmers all year round. Together they make the farm complete, with their sounds and tasks, oh so sweet.